Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, in whichever part of the world that you are, and welcome to Learner Minds. Are you wondering why am I holding this slate? Well, this slate is very special for me. This is my first slate, my first possession when I started going to school or when I went to school for the first time. Have you guessed by now what is this video all about? Well, let's begin. But before that, please like and share this video as much as you can, and please subscribe Learner Minds. Let's start. During my college days in the late 1990s, there was this famous song which was Purani Jeans or Guitar. So the lyrics went somewhat like this: Purani jeans or guitar, mohalle ki wo chhat or mere yaar. And I think most of the people, most of my friends during that time, we all became super nostalgic after listening to this song, because this song was about memories. This song was about how one spent one's college life. So today's episode is about memories, about this nostalgia, about the very firsts in our life, and what do we learn from them? Well, while I was cleaning the closet during Diwali, I came across this very interesting book called When Daddy Was a Little Boy, written by Alexander Ruskin. This was the first book which I got as a present from my parents. This book was published in 1979, and still today I'm holding it because I cherish this book. Whenever I feel low or whenever I feel down, I read this book. When I was chatting with a lot of friends, many of them, they still remember what was their first salary and what did they do with the first salary. For example, if I tell you, I started working in 2002, and at that time, my first ever salary which I got was about 4,750 rupees. Out of that, I bought a gift, a cordless phone for my grandparents, which cost about 2,900 something, and I bought a sari for my mother, which cost about 700 to 800 rupees. And the remaining, of course, I spent with my friends. Now, these things always remain with us. We always cherish these memories. Many of us also have our photos, we have our family albums. It makes us nostalgic. The first photo when we started crawling, the first ever photo, or maybe in the case of this millennial generation, maybe some video bites as well, which makes us nostalgic, which makes us go down the memory lane, and which lets us know that yes, there's a lot of hope. During family meetings and gatherings, which have become a little rare these days, whenever we meet, we talk about that, that wedding where we had lots of fun, or we talk about the first ever party which we had with our friends. So it always remains special. I remember that in the 1990s, there was a show called DuckTales. The central character of that show, Uncle Scrooge, a duck basically, he had a basement, and in that basement there used to be loads of money, and he used to swim in that pool of money. Now, I literally heard this story from a friend. In fact, a friend of mine told me that one of his friends, what he did with his first salary was he withdrew the entire salary and he kept all the money, and it was in cash, and he spread it on his bed, and he slept over that money. Now, whether this is right or wrong, or I don't know, but I feel that each one of us somewhere values these possessions. Be it the slate which I have, or be it your first doll, your first book, your first drawing which you have made. The only drawing which I could make, because I was very bad at that, was a mountain with a sun and with birds, which looked like the Marathi number 4. This was the drawing, and still today my mother has kept that in her closet. There's this traditional practice which is followed in Maharashtra, that whenever a baby is born, there's something called as kunchi. So kunchi is a kind of, you can say, a kind of a robe where the baby wears a robe, and it's considered to be traditional. Many of the Marathi homes have these kunchis which have been retained for years together. The point that I'm trying to make is that these possessions really brighten our life. They bring a smile to our face, and yes, they are indeed valuable. If I look at the cost of this slate, I don't know what it is, and neither do I care. But for me, it is one of my prized possessions. I don't even know that when Daddy was a little boy is still available. It might be completely out of print. But for me, it remains, and it will always remain special. I would suggest that why don't you go to the comment box and let us know that what is that one memory from your childhood which you possess, which is very special to you, or what did you do with your first salary? How did you spend that? Please share it in the comment box. So, if you look at the learnings from this entire nostalgia, memories, whatever you want to call it as, so I guess these are the learnings. Number one, hope. It is all about the hope that this kind of kindles in your mind. It brings back the feeling that yes, the way we have done, the way we have got these possessions, life has to offer and life has to unfold a lot of things, especially when we are feeling down. Second, I feel, is your roots. This makes you remember your roots, which also leads to humility and a lot of simplicity in your life. As they say, it is so simple to be happy, but it is so difficult to be simple. A wonderful line from the movie Bawarchi. So yes, this brings us back to our roots, from where we began, where we started our journey, and where we have reached today. Number three, I also feel you feel grateful. You have the sense of gratitude. You feel that you have had a wonderful childhood. You were blessed with wonderful friends. You went to a great school. You had these amazing people, your parents, your relatives, your teachers who took care of you during that age. It brings back, number four, it brings back memories, or it makes us nostalgic. So you really feel that, okay, this was the time when I was at the best of my childhood, the best of my ability, and yes, of course, that automatically leads to, as I said earlier, hope. And number five, there's always this pleasure of all the firsts in your life. Your first slate, your first book, your first toy, maybe that plastic gun, or maybe a car, or whatever, a doll, or maybe playing cards, or the first time you went for a movie. And I'm sure the first always remains special, including your salary, or maybe the first time you met your would-be spouse, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, whosoever it is. So that's it for today, folks. Please like and share this video as much as you can, and please subscribe, Learnomics. Please let us know in the comment box that what was your first, and how did you spend your first salary? What did you do with the first salary? What are the kind of gifts, or what are the kind of parties that you had at that time? So thank you. Keep watching Learnomics. See you next time.